Improving by only 1% every single day is actually the fastest way to reach mastery. And I've seen this on myself because by just slowing down and being lazy, I improved quicker. I realized that rushing by practicing several hours a day is actually counterproductive in the long run, because it always led me to burnout, especially since I have other commitments like a full-time job. But my approach totally changed when I created for myself the One Rule. It's not a great name, I know. This rule can be a real game changer if, like me, you don't have a lot of time or energy to practice drawing. Because the best thing about it is that it makes you focus on just one single thing at a time, the one thing that matters. So the first step to apply this rule is crucial to see consistent and significant improvement. You see, for years while trying to learn how to draw, my attention was scattered in every possible direction. I tried to learn perspective, shading, anatomy, everything at once, without a precise direction. The result of this is that, of course, I didn't have any significant improvement in any of these areas. And this led me to frustration and to quit altogether so many times. My art journey was always something like this: start and stop, start, stop again. The thing is that I didn't know how much focus is important when trying to learn anything in life. So I took a step back and actually picked one single topic, just one topic, which, for example, in my case right now is figure drawing. And this made me have visible improvement over a shorter period of time on this one single priority. So my suggestion is, don't try to learn everything all at once. Pick one single topic in which you feel you need to improve the most and just stick with it. It could be gesture drawing, mannequinization, how to draw the head, anything like that. But how? Well, the second step of this rule is actually crucial, because it brings this focus concept to the next level. By the way, I'm creating a free newsletter to give you all tips and tricks about one single topic: gesture and figure drawing. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. At the beginning of my art journey, I spent hours upon hours of my time watching online tutorials. Maybe you can relate. Turns out, I was wasting my time, because art tutorials don't follow a precise curriculum. I was always jumping from one video to the next between different topics, with the illusion of learning, but guess what? I was just spreading my attention and my memory too thin. But everything changed for me when I tried to do something I've never really done up to that point to learn how to draw: buy art books. And not just any art book about any topic, but just one book at a time about that one single topic I wanted to learn. I didn't go on a shopping spree of art books, even though I was really tempted. Of course, I'm still watching some art tutorials, but just to complement my learning. So one book only, to let the various topics of that one particular book build on top of each other. For example, right now I'm going through this phenomenal book by Michael Hampton about figure drawing, and nothing else. But I think the way I go through this book is the real power of this one rule, especially if your time and energy are limited. Because books don't set a pace for you. It's not like going to an art school. Technically, you can go through this whole book in just a couple of days, but then what? I understood that it is super imperative that you set your own realistic pace to learn as much as possible from these things. And I found that the perfect balance between a satisfying sense of progression and enough time to absorb the information is just one page per day. That's it. Enough to keep you moving constantly, but a sustainable pace. The best thing about it is that the various topics don't get completed in just one page. So the next day you will be probably working on the same thing, and the day after that, and so on. Which is crucial to nail down into long-term memory anything you want to learn. So one topic, one book, and one page. This is my rule. By being lazy, you will actually grow faster, because you will do it consistently, despite the time or energy you have that day. If you need some art book suggestions, this video is for you, and I will see you on my next step.